In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in Word. I will specifically show you how to insert a link to a web page in Word. So this is how our text will look like after we have finished inserting the link. The text will change to a link color that is the default blue color and also underlined. So if I hover on it and click on it, it will take me to the exact web page. So if this is what you want, then keep watching.
Hello guys, this is Sonic here from Template Warriors. On this channel, we help you create and sell digital products online and also help small businesses grow using the right digital tools through online video just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
So to insert a hyperlink in my Word document, all what I need to do is select the particular text where I want to insert the link. So I go ahead and highlight this match. Next, I go over to the Insert tab. Then inside the link group, I choose Link, and it will open up the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. And the link to, make sure existing file or web page is selected, that is the default. Next is the address field where I will paste my web address. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get my web link. So I go back to my browser and I have my web page here. So to get the link, I just right click on the link right here, then I click on copy. I go back to my Word document, then I right click and the address, click on paste. Now go ahead and click on OK, and you see that my text has changed to a link. So now if I want to go to the web page, all what I need to do is hover on it or point on it, then I press down Ctrl key on the keyboard, and you see that my cursor will change to a finger. Then I just go ahead and click on it, and it will take me to my web page. So that's it on how to add a hyperlink in Word.
Alright, that's it guys. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, kindly hit the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.